Hey everyone! In this video I want to show you this acrylic painting set of 12 from Brea Reese. Now the box says that these are professional heavy body acrylics, and these are pastel colors. I've been looking for pastel acrylics and couldn't find them anywhere, and I just wanted the convenience of not having to mix colors with white to get a softer tone. The brush that I'm using is an unicorn brush from Royal and Lanico. I'm hosting a giveaway for this right now, so head over to that video. The link will be in the description box. And about the paints, they have nice coverage and feel heavy, definitely not like professional heavy body, but they hold their shape nicely. The colors are soft, but I wouldn't say they are pastels. I mean, they look soft but not as light as I expect them to be. I wanted my swatches to look different and cute, so I'm using a hard paper punch. If you're interested in the supplies used in this video, I will let a link in the description box with all the info. The colors in this set are titanium white, pale yellow, peach, coral, pink, lavender, light ultramarine, pale phthalo blue, ocean green, mint, warm gray, and unbleached titanium. As always guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment telling me what do you think about this set. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications of new videos. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.